I made a batarang. Actually, I made four. So it all starts back in December. I remember my friend drops a suggestion. Yo, try making superhero stuff. Maybe a batarang or such. And I'm like, what is a batarang? Everybody knows it's the thing Batman throws. So I set to work here cutting out the shape. And Batman wears a cape, just dropping that here for rhyme's sake. Now I wanted this to be functional, flick it and it sticks, but well, weight and aerodynamics. So I settled for less, just keeping it ornamental. Getting the shape fine wasn't that hard though. It did take some time, one down, three more to go. I'm not sharpening it, just rounding off the edges a bit. But of the four in construction, I did leave one unrounded, purely for the sake of variation. Or maybe I was too lazy, but how about we just stick to my first reason? Eh? So then I put up a story, looking for perspective. How should I finish this? Do I keep it authentic or as midnight black rustic? Well, why not both? And why not mix it? What's this now? Again? Nah, it's like a holder, just keeping it in order. And I'd like to thank you for being great supporters. And if you haven't already, subscribe and join the corner. Ring the bell to stay notified, hit thumbs up, and drop your comments down. If you feel like being extra nice, share this around. Thank you, and see you next time.